What's going on, everyone? SSC Modz here. If you're new to the channel, feel free to check out other videos that we got going on that are similar to this one, and feel free to drop a like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Once you finish this video, of course, and you feel that you should like, then do so. With that being said, this video is going to consist of my dad removing these brake calipers and painting them and installing new rotors on this 1969 Mustang Mach 1. Here we got my dad, aka El Mero Gallo, and he's gonna start off by taking apart the brake caliper, takes the brake pads off of there, removes some more screws. I'm hoping he stores those so he won't lose them. Following that, he cleans it with some brake cleaner and a Scotch-Brite pad. Once he's done with this, he moves over to the welding table, as you'll see right now. He uses a wire wheel brush on a drill so that he can remove all that caked on brake dust that's on there. Once he's done with this, he cleans it with some more brake cleaner and a Scotch-Brite pad, and masks up areas where we don't want paint on. Preps it for primer. So for the primer, we went ahead and used a high heat primer, and he did 3 coats on that with a 15-minute wait time in between each coat. Alright, so this is the paint my dad used. Here's a primer. Unfortunately, the audio had some music in the background, so we couldn't use that. And here's a paint that we used.
Alright, update on the 69 Mustang Mach 1. We've installed new brake rotors, painted the calipers, new brake hoses. Same on this side. I've installed new brake hose in the rear. I have a new radiator, aluminum radiator. I've installed a new master cylinder. The brakes have been bled. The oil has been changed. I installed a brand new gas tank with the new fuel sending unit. Blew out the lines. Remember, this car has been sitting since 2005, so all this had to be done. It had 0 brakes. The radiator was clogged up. There it is right there, and it was leaking. Changed out the water pump, new water pump as well. So she's coming along. I have the Mach 1 14-inch wheels. In the meantime, I'm gonna put some Keystone Classics on there just to drive it around. But she'll start once I put her back together.
Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. If you guys like this content, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and Comment if you guys have any questions on the Mustang. And without further ado, we out.